Encountering an invalid QR code error when activating your Boost Mobile eSIM can be frustrating, but it's often solvable. This error typically means the QR code you're scanning is no longer valid, corrupted, or doesn't match your device. First, ensure the QR code is less than 24 hours old, as they now expire quickly for security reasons. Double check that you're using the latest version of the Boost Mobile app, v4.8.1 or newer. Ensure your device, such as Samsung Galaxy S25 series, Google Pixel 9, or iPhone 16 models, is compatible with eSIM. Immediately try these initial steps. Restart your device, close and reopen the Boost mobile app. Ensure you have a stable Wi-Fi or cellular connection. Disable any VPNs, as they can interfere with the activation process. If the problem persists, regenerate a new QR code from your Boost mobile account online or through the app. Use the scanning process to activate your eSIM. If basic troubleshooting doesn't resolve your invalid QR code error, try these advanced steps. First, clear the Boost mobile app's cache to eliminate any corrupted data that might be causing the scan to fail. Next, verify your device has the latest operating system. Make sure you're running Android 9 or higher or iOS 14.5 or later. For example, a Reddit user in 2024 with an iPhone 14 resolved their invalid QR error by updating to iOS 17.5. For users in rural areas with weak T-Mobile signals, as discussed in a 2025 Boost community forum, the company may offer temporary hotspot allowances to complete eSIM activation. Looking ahead, Boost Mobile is working towards zero-error eSIM provisioning using blockchain-verified QR codes, which will make activation much more reliable. If all else fails, contact Boost Mobile customer support. Their system starts with a chatbot, but persistence will connect you to a live agent for complex problems. If problems persist and you need service urgently, consider temporarily using a physical SIM card from Boost as a backup option.